Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Harshita Jasti, and today we are going to be talking about a really interesting topic, ChatGPT. You might think this is just another YouTube channel that's going to talk about ChatGPT, but you are wrong. We are going to be talking about ChatGPT wars. ChatGPT is like the it girl on Silicon Valley that everybody wants to be seen with. We have Microsoft, we have Google, we have Elon Musk, everybody fighting for this technology because this is where the future is at. And today we are going to look at the different kind of wars and mishaps that have been happening around ChatGPT, and it's anybody's guess who's going to emerge victorious in all of these ChatGPT AI wars. First, we're going to look at Google, Bard, mishaps, and Google versus Microsoft AI war. Google is a very, very famous search engine, and it holds the highest market share among all other search engines, especially with Google Chrome. That changed the face of Google. A lot of people are on its search engine, and that means a lot of people want to advertise there, and therefore advertising is Google's main revenue. And to shake all this up enters ChatGPT, OpenAI's non-profit project. ChatGPT is a generative AI which helps you with your searches, which helps you with tasks that sometimes are done manually, especially using internet, and it tries to act as an AI assistant in some cases. It can answer questions, and it's a perfect pairing for any search engine. And Microsoft got its hands on it. They are going to be using it with their browser extension for Bing. And Google notices that and want to be part of this race, and Google's trying to create its own AI to get started on this ChatGPT train. Unfortunately, it does not go as well as Microsoft, Bing, and ChatGPT. In response to ChatGPT, Google started something called as Bard, and they released a promotional video for it. In that promotional video, a user asks Google's Bard, "Hey, what facts can I tell my 9-year-old about the James Webb Space Telescope?" And Bard gives the user 3 bullet points that they can tell their 9-year-old about. And in one of the bullet points, Bard says James Webb Space Telescope is one of the first telescopes to take a picture of a planet outside of our solar system, or exoplanets. Yes, in the promotional video. And quickly, all of the astrophysicists came into Twitter, our personal town hall, and they pointed this out. They pointed this error out just before Google's Live from Paris event. This was a highly anticipated press conference, especially because of Bard, because everybody wanted to see what Google's response was going to be for Microsoft, and everybody was keen on it. But this promotional video error and Twitter got the best of it. During the promotion, Google did not touch much on Bard. They just made it seem like a research project that's going on in the background. They didn't talk anything about integrating it with the search engine, and they kept talking about previously announced technologies in a very low-key presentation. And it also backfired a little bit because in one of the presentations, the presenter actually lost the phone for the presentation. And this caused the Google stock price to decline 7%, taking $100 billion with it. So AI wars, not so pretty. On the other hand, Bing and Microsoft had a really good presentation. They showed how Bing was using AI and how they were partnering up with OpenAI. And they also showed how they're going to be integrating it with the search engine, which in fact was a really good demonstration. So right now, the people that are actually winning in the AI race is Microsoft. I'm curious to see how Google would come back from this. I do know that Google has a really good marketing team. I recently saw an promotional video about Bard where Google marketing team has put out this, promotion where they're like, oh, like you can also ask our AI why sometimes these large language models make mistake. And they're touching on the mistake that they made a while back, and they're using that as a marketing campaign, which I think is very, very clever. Also, another funny thing that I saw about that is one of the users has asked, I think someone from Microsoft, yes, I think someone from Microsoft went in and asked Google's Bard which internet browser that they think is the best. And Google's Bard said Microsoft Edge. Yes, and it also talked about shortcomings of Google Chrome. One would expect it to say that Google Chrome is the best, but yeah, Bard said Microsoft Edge. So that was another thing that Microsoft used to kind of make fun of the AI. Now let's talk about Microsoft, OpenAI, and Elon Musk in part 2 of this video. And that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and this is Harshita Jasti signing off. I'll see you again next week with a new video.